Y'all, Pretty Little Thing just played the fuck out of my body. So I was all excited to film this video, right? By the way, nothing in this video is sponsored. Everything I paid for with my own money. Forever 21, House of CB, and Pretty Little Thing, the brands of choice today. I don't know what Pretty Little Thing thought they were doing and how they thought they were gonna get away with this, but when I we're gonna start with this item first. So the whole main reason I wanted to make this video is because I just bought a bunch of pants. Well, not a bunch, I got 3. But everyone always asked me, Vanessa, where do you get your pants? Where do you get your pants on Instagram? So I was gonna show you guys a couple of pairs of pants today. And I thought I would fuck around and get some leggings as well. When I tell you, I look like I shit myself.
For $10, I shit myself.
I literally only have like 1 pair of leggings right now because I keep ripping them. And I keep they get faded and destroyed. So I don't know if you guys saw that advertisement on Snapchat where everybody's advertising the leggings with this little ruche thing in the back, right? It's gonna make your ass look really good, anti-cellulite. So I was like, okay, I'm pretty sure other brands sell that, so I wanted to peep. And I have some workout leggings that have this ruching in the back, and it does really make your butt look nice. So I thought like I said, would fuck around. And they look like normal leggings. I'm like, okay, this is gonna work out, na. So I'm just gonna roll the clip. No, what the f is this shit? Really, Pretty Little Thing? Okay, now I'm... Bitch! Bitch, it looks like I have a diaper! What the f is this? What the f is this? Oh my... Like... Are you Mad Mans? That's what I get for being cheap. That's what I get for not buying Lululemon leggings. That is unacceptable. I got those in a size 8. I'm a size 6. I have never felt more like a chicken in my life. We're just gonna move on from those because I actually have some cute stuff, but y'all, they played me with that. Do not buy their leggings. I don't care. No. I don't even think I made an intro to this video. I just went straight into disappointment. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Vanessa. I make videos. I'm trying to make them twice a week now. But I'm holding a TikTok contest for my new song, Social Suicide. So if you haven't heard it yet, go listen to the music video or go watch the music video. But you have the chance to win $500. All you have to do is make a TikTok using my song. I actually have a TikTok myself, at StonerFat666. Hi! So if you want to follow me on there, go ahead. But I actually posted a clip of the music video so you could use that as the audio to make it easier for me to find your entry. The video should be going up on Sunday, so the contest ends, I think, in 3 days. So make sure you get your TikToks out. Because I am picking the best ones. I'm not just picking random. And some people did put some effort and I've seen some pretty good ones so far. So let's go back to the clothes. So the main reason I wanted to make this video is because I wanted to show you guys where I get all of my jeans from. I used to get them from Misguided, but if I'm going to be honest about that company, every single time I order jeans from there, the button always pops off. The zipper always breaks literally within like a week or 2. I don't know if anyone else has ever had that problem. So I literally have to like super glue all of my buttons on. From every single pair of Misguided pants I have bought in the past year, I have had to super glue the fucking button back on. And that's fucked up because you're spending like $30 to $50, sometimes $60 on their jeans. But all the jeans that I'm showing you guys today, I got these for half off, so I got them around $10 to $20 each. So these are the first pair of pants. These are actually very similar to some ones that I showed on Instagram. I'm gonna put the photo right here, just because a lot of people are like, where did you get those jeans, Vanessa? These are literally exactly the same. They're just in the color black, and I do believe they had them in a regular jean color, but I already have them from a different brand. I got those other ones from House of CB, but those ones are a little getting close to $100 for that pair. So I'm gonna be honest, those ones were a little pricey, but I had no idea that Pretty Little Thing had basically the exact same thing for under 30 bucks. And I did use their 50% off coupon because if you go on the app, they always have 50% off. That's how they get you. But these are the jeans. They go all the way down to my leg. I wear usually like Air Force Ones or some sort of sneaker with it that's chunky, so it makes them look even longer because it like ruches them up. But also, let me throw out there, I'm 5'9", so, and I have longer legs than a torso, so I have like a shorter torso and longer legs. They still fit me perfectly, so I just wanted to show these to you guys because a lot of tall girls out there I know have a problem. Even if you're only 5'7", you could be 5'6" and have a small torso and really long legs, and it could be just as hard for you to find jeans. Because I remember even at 5'5", 5'6", I still had problems finding them. These are from like the regular Pretty Little Thing section. It's not from Pretty Little Thing tall, and they still fit me dead on. These are my new favorite pair of jeans, and you will see why. I don't know why, like, oh, they're just so comfortable. First of all, the pants that I'm showing you guys are in a size 6, by the way. Those shitty ass leggings were a size 8. More like a size 2. But you guys, I don't know, like, I just feel like these fit really nicely around the waist because it's like smaller. but then it gets a little wider right here, so it gives you like the illusion of body. And people like me that are built like a makeup brush, we appreciate it. So I just thought these were super cute. This one I actually wore these like twice already, so I kind of like ripped this a little bit if I'm gonna be honest. But I'm also the kind of person that doesn't care, so if I like bend over and rip it, I don't get mad. They're not super skinny and they're not a boot cut either. They're like in between straight leg and boot cut. But when you wear these with like a chunky platform or a boot, they made the legs of these pants much longer because they want them to kind of like ruche up and like scrunch up at the bottom of your leg. And I just think it looks so cute with sneakers. But they are so comfortable and they're so cute and they're under $20, like come on. So that's that pair. And then the next pair of pants that I got, I was gonna wear these to Playlist and I'm so sad. So I was actually like genuinely pissed that I couldn't go to Playlist this year because I was actually excited. I'm not messy, I'm not in drama. So if you signed up for my meet and greet, I'm sorry that I didn't go. A bitch got the flu literally 2 days before and my friend that was gonna come with me needed emergency surgery, which I feel like everything happens for a reason, but anyways. So these pants were from the Sweetie collection, I believe. I remember seeing them a couple months ago and then seeing the price and going, if you think I'm gonna spend more than $30, okay, maybe that's a reach. If you think I'm gonna spend more than $35, a whole $5, more than $35 on something from Pretty Little Thing, you got me fucked up. You guys may be based in the UK, but I know where you're getting your clothes from. I am not spending more than $35 on some Pretty Little Thing. So what did I do? I waited until they went on sale. So they went on sale for 20-something dollars, and if you think I didn't hit them with that 50% coupon, they're wide legs, super comfortable as well. I feel very roomy in these. I feel like I could breathe. The rest of the stuff that I got from Pretty Little Thing are dresses. I may have fucked up again in the dress section. Let me show you the 2 dresses first that fit me properly, and we'll get to the last one. So this is the multi-velvet tie-dye strappy runched dress. This is low-key a little difficult to like manage, just because the strings at the bottom, like as you see, one of them is way longer than the other one. And I spent like 10 minutes trying to get them perfectly even for this video, for the try on, and I still was not able to, so it was a little annoying, and I'm wondering if that's why it went to the sale section as well, because I got this on sale. But it fits really, really comfortably. Once I figure out the straps, I'm sure it'll be good. But it's really soft. I feel like I could breathe in this. It's not super tight. It's a stretchy material too, so it gives you some room. Like I said, I got this from the sale section. Probably gonna wear this with Air Force Ones because y'all know I don't do heels. Next, I got this one. So I actually have a shirt with the exact same pattern. Boom, putting the photo right there. And it's actually mesh, which y'all, me and mesh, I used to have a battle with mesh. I used to not really like it. It does have a zipper on the back. At first when it came in, I was like, I don't know how I feel about that. I don't think it's cute. But my friend kind of like reassured me low-key. I was like, I don't know, like it could be kind of cute. But then he's like, you could wear just like a small little like clear kitten heel and it'll be cute. Because I also didn't know what shoes I'd wear with this because like I can't. I sincerely wish I could walk in a normal pair of heels, like some little pumps or something. 3-inch heels. I can't even wear boots with a platform. I have this one pair of thigh-high boots that makes me feel like Ariana Grande, and I could kill it in those, bitch. I could spin and do a split. With any other platform shoe, for some reason, I cannot walk in them. If I'm gonna be honest about this dress, do not get this dress if you have big boobs. So if you got some double D's or some big chongas on your chest, sis, this is not going to work. It's gonna be uncomfortable as hell. This is full metal and you can't bend it at all. Why did I do this? Knowing damn well I am shaped like a fucking pencil. I shopped in the shape section. I saw it on the girl and I was like, oh my god, she looks so good in that. I know I don't have that body, but like, maybe I can make it work. Only shape I'm giving you right now is the shape of my belly button coming through. I'm not serving body in this, and I'm sad. The girl on the website was giving me cork bottle. I literally look like a pencil. I feel like some people are gonna be like, no, that looks cute. No, don't lie to me. Can someone inject my hips with silicone, please? I will take mineral oil at this point. Like, I just wanted it to fit. I'm gonna put it in the back of my closet and just hope that one day I will stay consistent with going to the gym and it'll look right. Cause y'all, I've been going to the gym for 2 weeks straight and I'm like, I'm killing it, I'm killing it. We're seeing differences, changes. And then I get lazy. Going back to that last item that I didn't show earlier, it is a top, or it's trying to be a top. Quality of this shirt, first of all, there's little strings coming all over the place. I do not recommend this, okay? No. This, baby girl, no. No, baby girl. This stuff, oh, ooh, no, take it off. I tried it on. No, you're not gonna see your boobs through it, but like, obviously there's zero support, but it's so bad to the point of like your boobs are most likely just gonna spill out the top of it. Like, you'll see. I had to adjust the fuck out of this shirt just so my boobs wouldn't come out. And if your boobs, you know, are bigger than a size A, it's gonna droop forward as it would naturally with any shirt, and the back is gonna go up and it doesn't look good. Like, I don't know. I tried this top with a strapless bra. I tried it with a bandeau. I tried wearing this top like 3 times this past week, and it just did not work every time. And the quality of this item particularly, like, has a bunch of little like strings and threads coming out. And I don't know, I could just feel, it feels cheap. Moving on to Forever 21. Okay, so I wasn't gonna show these items, but I was like, I have to because low-key, Forever 21 has some really good deals right now. So now moving on to Forever 21, I just got 3 things from there, but these are some essentials. Let me start with the bra, you guys. I got this for $6, and I swear to you, this is the best bra I've ever worn in my life. I know there's probably gonna be some girlies out there that are like, girl, that would not support me at all, but like, I have 34 Ds, and this gives me the best support I have felt since ever. It has a little cloth in there so your nipples aren't gonna get like irritated from this material, but it's very soft anyways. I don't know what it is about this bra, but like, it just fits perfect. Like, it's so comfortable, it's so soft. I need to go get more. I have had the recovery bra. I have gone to Aerie. I have gone to fucking Victoria's Secret, which I don't really support that brand anymore. I have gone to so many stores to look for bras, y'all, and this has been my OG for like the past week and a half. And like I said, it was only $6. I'm going to go and get this in every single color. It gives me so much support. And in my last video where I was talking about my breast augmentation, I told you guys that I was experiencing a little bit of like pain in my chest area. And you know what I realized it was? I was wearing a bad bra. I was not getting the support that I needed. So my chest was just like, it was doing things. Go pick one up and see if you like it. It's only a few dollars, and I swear to you, like, I never would have thought that a bra without any sort of wiring or anything would give me that much support. Next, I went ahead and picked up 2 of these. I don't know where the other one went because the other one I got had Barbie on it because they have this like Barbie collection out right now. And it was so cute, and I don't know where it went. But this is the other one I got. This was only like $4 or $6, just a couple of bucks. I always get these because I always end up breaking the strap. The last thing that I got from Forever 21, so cute, and it's it's so hard to find these kinds of tank tops that you don't have to wear a white bra underneath. I tried it on with this gray bra, and you can see like I have lettering and stuff on this bra and everything, and you can't see it through the shirt. The material on this is thick enough to like actually like cover what you're wearing underneath, but it's also thin enough to where you're not gonna be like suffocating and it's uncomfortable. So definitely hit up Forever 21 and go pick some of these up because they were only a few dollars as well. I don't know why I only bought 1 of each of these things when I should have bought like 3 or 4 because they were so inexpensive, but. And this I actually got in a size small, so I would say go a size under. The last thing that I got is from the House of CB. This is where I got those pants that I was talking about earlier. Oh wait, this is actually the same brand as the jeans. So if you are interested in getting those jeans that I showed earlier, the ones that were a little bit more expensive, the brand is Mistress Rocks, and you can get that from House of CB. Mistress. Super comfortable pants, great quality, but like I said, they are a little bit more on the pricier side. This top, I believe I spent like $35 on, maybe 40 bucks. You definitely cannot do any sort of activities in this. You cannot go anywhere crazy or run around. I mean, why are you running around at 24 years old? Sit down. You can't do any sort of activities in this. Like, this is a very, I'm going out to lunch, sitting down, not moving much, and going home and taking it off. And the other thing that I bought from there was a pair of clear underwear, but I don't know where those went. That's everything that I got for today's try on haul. I just wanted to mainly make this video to show you guys the jeans because a lot of people have been asking me, Vanessa, where do you get your jeans from? And I finally found a place, and it's under $30 per pair, which is amazing because usually in the past when I would get jeans, I would have to go to like the tall section of stores, and then of course they think that they could charge double. It's definitely been a problem finding jeans since I was like 14 years old. Definitely check out Pretty Little Thing. Misguided, like I said, they do have jeans that could be long enough, but the quality is just not there in my opinion anymore. Like a few years ago I used to buy skinny jeans and stuff and they were good, but now I feel like the quality in their jeans has definitely gone down. Definitely check out Pretty Little Thing on that. They always have 50% off. Check out Forever 21. Everything in there is literally like 50% off. Enter the TikTok contest if you were interested in checking that out. 2 people are gonna win $500. Check out my new song and my music video for Social Suicide, and I will see you guys all in my next video in a couple days.